Task number 4, navigate the file system and working with files. PowerShell provides a range of CMDlets for navigating the file system and managing files, many of which have counterparts in the traditional Windows CLI command line interface. Similar to the dir command in command prompt for ls in Unix-like systems, get child items lists the files and directories in a location specified with the -path parameter. It can be used to explore directories and view their contents. If no path is specified, the CMDlets will display the contents of the current working directory. So in PowerShell, get child item is basically the equivalent in command line, command prompt dir or ls in Unix systems. To navigate to a different directory, we can use the set location CMDlet. It changes the current directory, brings us to the specified path akin to the cd command in command prompt. So basically we are inside C users captain. By using set location -path to documents, we move in the directory. While the traditional Windows CLI uses separate commands to create and manage different items like directories and files, PowerShell simplifies this process by providing a simple set of CMDlets to handle the creation and management of both files and directories. To create an item in PowerShell, we can use new item. We will need to specify the path of the item and its type, whether it is a file or a directory. So we create a new item in this path in the current directory, and then we go captain cabin and then captain wardrobe directory. Yes, item time will be directory. Now you can see that it was created. Captain cabin. And then here we have the captain wardrobe. And then we create a file, an item type file, captain boots txt inside captain wardrobe directory. Similarly, the remove item CMDlet removes both directories and files, whereas in Windows CLI we have separate commands rm, dir, and del. Here we see remove item from the path. We just say remove item and then we choose either a directory or a file. This one is accessible for directories, and I think, I don't know if you can remove actually, you can use just rm to remove files, but in order to remove with the command prompt to remove directories, you have to use rm dir. We can copy or move files and directories alike using respectively copy item equivalent to copy and move items equivalent to move. Here we see that we copy an item to the path and the destination. So we copy captain hat to captain hat number 2 and get child item path. Boom. Here you can see captain number 2, captain hat 1, ship flag. All right. Finally, to read and display the contents of a file, we can use the get content CMDlet, which works similarly to the type command in command prompt, or cat in Unix-like systems. Yes, so here you can see we just use get content -path to this file, which displays don't touch my hat. Answer the questions below. What CMDlet can you use instead of the traditional Windows command type? Get content. What PowerShell command would you use to display the content of C users directory? For the sake of this question, avoid the use of quotes or single quotes in your answers. So in order to view the contents, we say this one. Actually, no, we'll go for this one. Get child item. Paste it here, actually. Okay. Item. And then we go to see users. Path. And then see users. Get child item path this. Or in the command prompt, it's just dir cmd users or ls, I don't know, users. How many items are displayed by the command distributed in the previous question? How many items are displayed by the command is okay. So we go up here. How many? Oh yeah, we have to get item. Yeah, get child item path. All right, let's see if this will work. Users. Yeah, it works. All right. We say for